This video is going to show you how to restore your laptop back to its initial state. So it'll be back to the way you received the laptop from the school with all the software, applications and so on. So basically, if you want to restore your laptop, if you've got any problems with programs or anything like that, you can do that. It will basically delete everything on the C drive, but it won't touch your data drive. So that's anything to note. Now, to restore your laptop, basically push the power button and begin by tapping the F8 key. Just keep tapping it as so, and then you'll notice that you'll come up with an advanced boot options screen. I'll make that a bit clearer. And the first option up the top says repair your computer. So you don't need to do anything there, just push enter, and that'll begin I suppose step one of repairing the computer. Now what this is going to do is you'll find that it will run a check disk in the background, and then it'll reboot again back into Windows. Now the check disk is run just basically to eliminate if there's any issues. If you've got issues with booting the computer or anything like that, it'll eliminate most of those problems. So it'll just run through a few checks, and you'll see that that's actually rebooting now. Now at this point you need to do the F8 again in order to get back to that same menu, but I'm not doing that now, just in case you walk away and come back and it starts to boot again. That's not a problem. All you need to do is shut down, and I'll let this boot again. I'll shut it down, and then I'll go through the F8, go back to the repair your computer, and we can continue to restore the computer. So this is just an initial check, and then the second stage we'll start to erase the C drive and recover it. So now what I'll do is I'll just go to the shutdown, down here, click on the shutdown, let it turn off, and we'll go through the same process before. Power on and the F8 key. Okay, so after the computer's shut down, we're going to turn it back on and run the system restore or the repair your computer for a second time. So again, power button, and then tap the F8 key till you get the menu. Okay, here's our advanced boot options menu, and again just enter. On the top it says repair your computer, so enter on that. And we'll have a few more options here than what we did the first time. Main thing you'll need to know is your username and password in order to recover the image. And the username is administrator as a student, that's what you're logging in as, and your password is whatever your password currently is to log into your system. So once this boots up, it's going to prompt us for a few options, and we'll just run through them. Okay, so next on that, and select your username, use administrator, type in your password, okay, what we need to do is system image recovery, so we need to select that. It'll look for an image already created, and on your laptops there will be only one image that we've created, so basically select that and go next, and next again. It just gives you a warning, don't have to do anything else here, and as you can see up the top it says your computer will be restored from the following system image, blah blah blah, and all you need to do is just click finish. All data on the drives to be restored will be replaced with the data in the system image. So again, that's only restoring, as you can see up here, the C drive, so it's not going to touch your D drive, which is where all your data should be stored. If you have anything on the C drive, obviously you need to move that to D, but this is only going to overwrite and erase your C drive only. So you click yes to continue if you're sure you've got nothing on the C drive that you'll lose, and this will go through the process of restoring your hard drive. Now this will take obviously some time depending on what type of computer you have. We're doing this on the Dell here, but this is also current on any of the machines that you get from the school. And the only thing you need to know is your password. When you restart the computer, your administrator password will no longer be the same as to what you changed it to. Your administrator password will become the default password when your laptop was issued. So you need to refer to your documentation for what that password is if you can't remember, or see the help desk or someone in IT. But basically your administrator password will be reset to the initial password you had when you got your laptop. So just remember that, and that's all you need to know. Simple as that. This will restart and go back into Windows.